Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to Instagram. Well, marketing with Instagram. So basically in today's course, what we're going to talk about will be the creation of your account. So basically we're going to create our Instagram account, and also I'm going to show you an Instagram account that I have for one of my demo stores that I own as well, or used to own. And basically you'll be able to see what it looks like. So pretty simple. I'm gonna use the web browser to be able to show you all the Instagram on web, to be able to show you all those features. Once again, right now the web features are pretty much the same as the mobile features. The only differences are sometimes with the stories. If for example you want to post a story with your mobile, it's a little bit more easier and stuff, but besides of that, you'll see it's pretty much the same thing. So you can do it on your phone or you can do it on the web as well. Both options could work. So let's start. All right, so first step, what exactly you need guys to do is pretty simple. I invite you to write down instagram.com on your web browser. So basically you should be on a website that looks like this. So probably if you have an account, you can simply sign up there. You can sign up with your Facebook account if you want to do so, it's possible. If not, we're going to create an account. So we don't have an account, we are going to sign up right now. So for the mobile phone, since it's a test, we are going to enter a test mobile phone. Here we go. For the full name, we'll call it test. The username is gonna be test 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the password, it could be anything you guys want. Okay, it's already taken, so you'll see sometimes it's already taken, so we'll just write down test. So the username, it doesn't really matter because you can change it a little bit later on. Right now it's just, since it's the first time we're doing it, it's important to have it. Here we go. All right, so for the password, once again, you want to have something that is that is secure. So I don't know, you can write down whatever password you guys want. So basically I'm gonna generate a random password. Here we go, and I can sign up right now. All right, I'll just add a few numbers. Awesome. It's gonna ask your date of birth. So right now you can just enter your date of birth and click on next. We'll just put it on 2000. So pretty important, if I'm not mistaken, Instagram will be a 13 years old and plus account. So basically you should be at least 13 years old to be able to create yourself an Instagram account. So here it requires me to enter a 6-digit code. Basically it's a test number, so it doesn't really matter. I'll show you the rest on another Instagram account, so we don't really need this for now. So basically this is an Instagram account that I used to have for one of my demo stores. Basically I still have it. It looks something like this. I'm gonna show you all the features basically of the account and how it works. So you'll see it's not that complicated. And we're basically going to talk about pretty much everything that we have here. I have a few clothes. Once again, it's a demo store, so I used to have it. It's margojivoni.com. I don't think it's working, but basically I used to have that store. So basically we're going to talk about this Instagram and about a few things that you guys can add on Instagram, about the pictures, about all the things that exist on Instagram. So basically what I want to talk about right now are really the basics. So once you have signed up to your Instagram, normally you should have no pictures there. You should have nothing there as well. So the first thing to do will be editing your profile. So here what's gonna happen is that you will have access to all the features right there. and basically you can change them how you want. Here, for example, I have 𝘁𝗵𝗂𝗋𝗋. It's well, it's the name of the account. So if I want to change the profile picture, I just will click right there. So I can click on change profile picture and change it. Basically, that's on the web version, but it's pretty much the same thing on the normal version. You can just click on it. This is for the name of the account. So basically, if you want to add a name, you can do it. Same thing for the username. Username, it's basically 𝘁𝗵𝗂𝗋𝗋. You can use it basically to connect to this account. So you just, well, you can change your username right there. Once again, it's pretty important to understand that you can't change too much your name or your username. If I am not mistaken, it's written just right there. You can only change it twice within 14 days, and it's pretty much the same thing for 𝘁𝗁𝗂𝗋𝗋. This is my website, so basically you can change it. You can write whatever website you want. For your bio, it's pretty much the same thing. What you want to do on your bio, it's really entering all the basics inside of your bio. So basically describing if it's a personal account, if it's a business account. In all cases, you guys can do it. Here you will have your email. So basically this is a dummy email. You can use your own email, and basically to confirm your account or to confirm the email address of your account, you can click on confirm email. So it's well, as you can see, it's something that is pretty interesting. For the phone number, it's pretty much the same thing. So basically you enter your phone number, and if there is a certain gender, you can just enter it right there. If you guys want to change your password, it's gonna be here. So you just click here, and you can change your password. So basically old password, new password, and you can confirm the password. So basically this is really for your profile. Here you will have all the apps or websites that are where you have logged in with Instagram. So basically you have all the active active logins. So basically, for example, you used your Instagram to connect to certain websites. It's gonna be right here. Same thing for email, SMS. If Instagram sends you some emails or SMSs, it's gonna be right there. Any push notifications, if you have any contacts that are associated with this account, and everything. If, for example, you received certain emails from Instagram. So as you can see here, well, here I received one email from Instagram at this date. So basically all the emails will be right there. So as you can see, it's something that is pretty simple to understand at first look. All right, so right now the moment is to really create your first well, to choose your profile picture. Once again, as I said, the first step is really to have an idea of why exactly you want to create an Instagram, and basically when you want to create your Instagram, why you want to have it, if it's gonna be personal use or professional use. And from this moment, you can create your account. So basically here it's 𝘁𝗁𝗂𝗋𝗋, it's a professional account. And yeah, so basically you will need a professional logo. So basically I have here the logo of my business. If you guys have a logo for your business, you can use it as your profile picture. So in this case, me, I just have, well, this as my profile picture. And after that, I will have different pictures as well. If I want to edit my profile, it's pretty simple. I just click on edit my profile and I will be on this page right there. Same thing right here. If I go on settings, it's gonna bring me back on this page right there. So this is really for the basics of creating your account and how exactly you can play with your account. I'm not gonna talk right now about the posts, followers, and followings. We're gonna talk about it a little bit later in this course. But for the moment, what's important right now is really that you guys create a profile picture. So basically you need to choose your own profile picture for your account. And the next step is really posting your first picture. So basically it could be any picture that you want, but once again, it has to be a quality picture. So as you can see here, since it's a demo store, you can see that the pictures are, well, they're pretty good quality in my opinion. They're not perfect, once again, since it's all for demo purposes. But once again, the pictures right there are pretty good quality. So basically you need some good quality, and it has to represent your brand. So this here, for example, it's a clothing brand. So it represents pretty well the brand, so people can get there can get on this page and see basically all the clothes that exist right there and that are offered. And basically you guys will be able to do the same thing. So once again, as I said, really important first step. So what you want to do right now, first step, is really creating your profile picture, choosing the right profile picture, changing your bio. Once again, your bio has to be something pretty simple. So here, for example, store launch, recruiting brand ambassadors, buy directly on the store. So something really simple about the brand that describes it. And then you can post 1 or 2 pictures. Once again, don't post 100 pictures one shot. You want to keep your pictures and be active with those pictures. So that's it for this class, guys. See you all in our next class.